Because this man konatweke ndo ambiki yeke tambola. When I was a young girl, just newly employed. Now when Naomi kuyaka tangi kwitu ni wa Machakos County, even by birth. Nedhanina dhina weani. That time I was working in Thika level 5. And I walked to this man in his office, in the seat of a CEO. A CEO, TCC ni mondo monini mono. And when he was my CEO, I explained myself. Naamba umbiki ya chai. I am speaking before God. This man greeted me. Wachamwana. I have never forgotten. And after that, all my problems were solved. Akunjua, akuniuliza kwenu, na hata kutoka hapo hakukumbuka.